Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I will learn you how to find your comment on Instagram. So how can you find your comment on public post on Instagram? So for that you need to open your Instagram application, and now you need to go on your profile on the bottom right corner. Now what should you do? Just need to select on the top right corner three-line menu bar icon. Now you need to select your activity. Now you need to select at the third option. There you can see interactions. So just select it. Now at the first option you can see comments. Open it. Now you can see that's your comment, and in this way you can find out where you comment on Instagram or public post where you comment on Instagram very easily. So in this way you can find out your comment on Instagram very easily. So guys, this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.